Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. This week is a very special week. It's ANZAC week and it's something we never want to forget. And today we're going to do something really special. I have my best friend Suzanne coming to cook her ANZAC biscuits. They are delicious. And we're going to do this to commemorate the ANZACs. And I'm going to get her Essie stove going for her so it's ready for her when she gets here in a few minutes.
Good morning, I'm Suzanne. I'm going to be making some of my grandma's very famous ANZAC biscuits, and I want to show you how quick and how easy it is. So firstly, in the pot I've got golden syrup and butter. I'm making it on the 990 EL. Right, so I'm just going to pop this on the induction and I'm going to turn this up full. It'll take about 30 seconds for that to melt. In here I've actually just put 1 cup of oats, a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, 3/4 a cup of coconut, and I've just mixed all that together. So just dry ingredients. As you can see, that's less than 30 seconds. The butter has melted and the golden syrup has just all merged together. So we'll just turn the induction off and we'll take it back over here and add our bicarb soda. So bicarb soda just into the boiling water. So I've just heated that. Now what I'm going to do is we're just going to bring that across here. This is the previous ingredients that we've just heated on the oven. Just putting that bicarb mix in, giving it a stir, and it just all froths up. Alright, so I've mixed that up, that's all frothed up. Then we're just going to pop the dry ingredients straight in there. Some people do it the other way. I don't think it really makes a huge difference. After I've mixed the mixture, I get 2 spoons and I spoon it straight onto the tray using that and just use the other one to put it off to make them all approximately the same. We pop these straight into the oven. It's preheated about 180. I usually like to leave them in there for about 10 minutes. I have a few people ring here. These ANZAC biscuits have been a little bit of a talking point, and on our wall, which we'll take you to in a second, we've actually got the recipe written up on the wall for everybody to see. So come with us and have a look at our beautiful piece of artwork. So this is our little Essie room. We do a few cooking demonstrations in here, and up on the wall, pride of place, is my grandma's ANZAC biscuit recipe for everybody to copy when they come into the store. Alright, taking them out of the oven, nice and golden, soft and chewy, that's the way that we like to have them here. Once they come out of the oven, just leave them sitting on the tray for about a couple of minutes. They firm up a little bit, then just with a spatula, just take them off the baking sheet, straight onto the cooling rack, and leave them sit there for about 10 or 15 minutes if you can before everybody eats them. Okay, that is my grandma's ANZAC biscuits. Thanks for watching. Till next time.